so how much ice cream?
All of it.
All of it.
Yeah. EDYS.
EDYS ice cream, sponsored.
EDYS. Does a body good. Yeah. Can you tell? Coronavirus. Oh my God.
No.
Come on. Yeah. It's all frozen. Let it go.
Need to freeze it.
Let it go. Yeah, frozen ice cream is better than non-frozen ice cream. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, there's a good one. Yeah. Oh! Flagada. Yeah, baby. Yep. That keto diet just went right out the window. My diet's called Veto. Yeah. Come on. I can't get it off the spoon. Want to know how to get it off the spoon?
Do not put that back, coronavirus head.
Home. You're home.
Wait.
Hershey's. Sponsored by.
Does the body good.
Does a body good. Yeah. All right. So how much Hershey's do we put? Till we can't see the ice cream anymore. Is that enough? Yeah. All right.
Leche.
Sponsored by
Fat free because keto.
Publix.
Publix. Does the body good.
Does your body good. Fat free because, you know, we're on a diet. So you go about halfway of the ice cream. So if the ice cream's there, you pour it halfway there. Yeah, that looks good. That was my dance.
Yummy.
My dance is called the milkshake. Oh!
Oh.
You know, just in case. Yeah. Oh! It's magic, you know. Never believe in my soul. Oh my God. This is liquid beauty. Happy. Yeah.